Hey guys, it's Tom. Welcome back to the channel where we all love investing. It's the end of May. Actually, we still have a few days left, but I'm expecting no more dividends this month, so it's time to do a monthly update of my portfolio. Yeah, the goal with this portfolio is to reach 100k in investment value. So we are almost 25% there. So I'm pretty happy about that. But I'd say let's play the intro and jump right into the portfolio. Alright, so here we are. And as I just said, we're almost at 25k. Currently 23,405 euros in my dividend portfolio. If we look at the capital appreciation, you can see here the gray line. We always keep investing. So the gray line is always going up, no matter what the chart does. If the chart goes up or down, I keep investing. So these small steps you see here, these are my weekly buys. And sometimes when I have a bit extra, of course, there's a bigger step. And looking at the performance, we're still trying to recover from our highs. So the portfolio was at 24% in the plus already at one point. And then the tariff announcements came. So we were down pretty low, but we're already recovering a little bit, but still a bit to go. Let's take a quick look at my top positions in the portfolio. Still my Global Select Dividend 100 is my top position, but I have decided to sell that position soon because it's just too expensive to have a 0.46 expense ratio and the yield isn't that good so that I can say it's worth it, and this will get distributed elsewhere. So this won't be any longer. I'm just waiting for my dividend. They pay out in July. They pay their biggest dividend. I'll wait for that and then I'll sell the position. And the goal is still that the two Vanguard positions are my top 1 and 2 spot. But I buy them weekly anyway. So they get 25 euros each week. So they will slowly work their way up. They're almost there already. And going forward, these 5 single stocks, Microsoft, Google, Visa, MasterCard and Amazon, will also be my main focus. So the two Vanguards with these 5 stocks and the JP Morgan income ETFs, like the global one and the Nasdaq one, for some higher yield. And they will build themselves on their own, so I just reinvest them so they can grow on their own. So I think this will work out pretty good. And that's that. I have some other small positions, but I'm not sure what to do with them. Going forward, this will be my main focus, as I just said. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this approach going forward with these stocks and these ETFs, some income and some growth. I'd like to know what you think, so please comment down below. And I'd say let's hop into the dividend dashboard. Alright, let's look at the dividends received in May. You look at the dividends so far. In January we got 54 euros, February was a low month with 17 euros, March 43 euros, and April was my record month so far with 81 euros. I'm really happy with that, and I hope we can reach a 100 euro month this year. But let's look at May, what we got. So on the 7th, the two JP Morgan ETFs paid. They pay monthly, of course. The global one, I have a bit of a lower allocation here. I got 5.85 euros. And the Nasdaq, the JEPQ, paid me 16 euros 32. Then 2 days later, MasterCard paid their dividend with 1 euro 64. Of course, they have a very, very low yield, but this one I'm buying for the capital and the dividend growth. So this will grow a lot in the future. I have big hopes. Procter & Gamble, yeah, just a small position. Like I said in the beginning, not too sure what to do with these positions, but they paid me 2 euros 60. Realty Income, of course, 5 euros. And Main Street, the other monthly payer, 2 euros and 43. So that's 6 payments in total for May for 33 euros and 85 cents. So if we look at the accumulated dividends, in total we are standing at 763 euros total dividends received so far in this portfolio. If we look at the year-over-year comparison, in May last year, or at the end of May last year, we were at 126 euros, and now we are already at 230 euros accumulated for the year. So almost double. That's pretty good. And really see the progress here on these charts. Also, if we look at monthly, let's make that bigger. Cut these out. Yeah, here you can see last May we got 19 euros 88 cents, and this year 33 euros 86 cents. So a nice increase again. Here every year we're making big jumps, so very cool to see. Next month should be higher again than May, and then in July, that was my record for a long time with 70 euros, but we beat that with the 81 euros this year in April. So I'm really looking forward what we will get in July this year. This is my biggest hope for my 100 euro dividend month. So I hope we can reach that in 2 months in July. So yeah, I think that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one on the road to 100k. Thanks for watching. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content of this channel is for informational and entertainment purpose only. None of it is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Your invested money is at risk. Don't follow investing decisions you see on the internet. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance. Always do your own research.